one and all. Always remember this, together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give away free, none nah sell. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks.
Bless you, love and greetings all my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Welcome to the Lion Foot Channel. And I hope all is well. Seeing? No, my people, after me gave my feedback yesterday, my reviews for the fans that requested based on Likkle Addi and him pregnant baby mother, you know, 18 and 15 years old. Vybz Kartel, reaction, and my father, son. A few people has replied and said, boy, them love how I talk and give my views and include my daughter in it as well. Because my daughter got pregnant at the age of 18 and, you know, before we judge people, we have to judge ourselves and our life, you know. Yes, that's reality, you see me? That pan a channel, yeah. So now, one of my fan, number one fan, big up yourself, number one fan. Seeing, send me to voice note and saying, boy, him listen it and he was quite, you know, impressed and how me talk. But he must say, he have different views on it, you know what I mean? And the teenage pregnancy issue. So, he send me some voice note and I'm going to share it to you know. But before I share it to my people, I don't know, as usual, after the intermission break, I want to check out that song, a worldwide piece. It's available for sale.
Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from Russ Imaric and Natural Onyx. Worldwide piece. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes, and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Mama.
To the south, to the east, Europe and the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets, I'm begging you please.
Welcome back all my viewers and subscribers, all of my fans, families, everyone's big up on yourself, saying, right now we're going to go straight into the voice note, make you hear what the number one fan has said. Then we can leave on no feedback because you know the channel is all about upliftment, saying, and encouragement. DJ Fairly Hype, me see you. Mega Bantan, me see you. Welcome to the channel.
I go on Lion Foot, big up yourself every time, you know. General, me no condone with them things, you know. Me no condone with them things at all. You understand? Me not go sit around and think, if my son come in and I'm a 15-year-old and him say get a girl pregnant, me I cuss him. Me I cuss him. Look here, me I cuss him. And me I beat out him ass clap because him not ready for them or something yet. You understand? Him a get pitney, him a pitney himself. Him is a child himself, my youth. When we grew up as a little youth, we not think about baby, we not think about sex. We are think about how we can get some money or food for our table because we don't grow with nothing. So we are trying to see if we can get some education. We are trying to see if we can get some things and we can go work and take care of our mother. That me always a think about. Me not think about no children. You know what I mean? Yeah, and when me at 21, me get my first youth. When me at 21, I get my first youth. Every time I work, you understand what I said to you? 21. And it's still damn young too. And you tell me, say you get you breed girl at 15 and you pose up pretty. When they should have in your blood teeth, diaper and nappy, that boy. Yeah? What you tell me, say? Eh? Nobody not that Jamaica will teach little youth them how to walk. To teach little youth them how to walk. How, eh? Now teach black people how to walk, but Marley come and teach you know. Come on, man. All right, man. Marcus Garvey come and teach you know. Nobody not gonna know themselves until they're back against the wall. No man, no. And I shoot. Because that's when everything come and hit you. Hit you. Like a bullet from a gun. Stay strong. And stop bleach out in no color. The youth are 15-year-old. Him not grew up yet. But him out talk about him become a father. Hold on. Where the world going to? What the world going to? The girl are 18 and him are 15. So if the girl was 15 and him are 18, they wouldn't charge him for rape or whatever. You don't see what going on in the world? You understand? So the father now, I say, boy, I'm congratulate whatever, and him family extending. Him not teach him youth in the right way. And if him not go on, the youth are going to end up just like him. Because no good teachment is not there for the children them of today. You understand? What to the younger generation, we have become doctors and nurses and leaders of the world. So there is no teachment there in the home. You understand? Because his father can never teach him. Him father can't teach him nothing, because look where him there. Him there at prison. You understand? And that's wrong with black people. We intend to brace things were wrong. You understand? I come to about, oh, listen to me, man. I want to stop it. I want to grow up first. Grow up. Get to the education, which is the key. Not because you don't have money, you don't think, so, boy, I can't do anything I don't want to do. You understand what I said to you? And that girl should be ashamed of herself and the parents, them. They should be ashamed. The boy is only 15 years old. You understand? And if my son do that, I would never please. I would never happy. I would never, because he is a child. You understand? Him is a child. So why the hell you going to tell me now, I look a 15-year-old youth, what kind of father him want to be? What kind of father him want to be? Him can be a father yet? No. And the parents him have to go to picnic, him don't know nothing. Him just a winner of a breast. You understand? But because of this one, money. Okay. That's why we are going to last, because of money. Because we have money with you, so we can't do anything. No, it's not that. We don't grow up first. We don't grow up, get to the education, get to the everything organized and whatever, and set a plan. That means when you become a father, we don't know the role we want to play. You can't play a father role. You are going to hang out with the little youth them. You are going to hang out with the little youth them. Let me tell you something now. Children not easy to take care of. You understand what I say? Baby don't easy to take care of. When baby a cry and you want to sleep, remember, you have another thing coming. You understand? And go to school and get an education and become lawyer and doctor and government or whatever. Eh? You know, see the government in Jamaica, them slip up. We want some good government, nice system. So what let them say? Nobody now go to school and learn to come be good government? And that you try to tell me? Eh? Everybody come talk about my baby. Look here, man. Listen to me. Go to school and get the education. Eh? Me see all your bleach. You bleach all your skin. Eh? You not bleach all your skin. Look a young boy about you not bleach your skin. So hold on. How do you hate black, sir? Eh? How do you hate black, sir? Why do you hate black? Why do you hate the color black? Eh? You not rub off the skin with God go. Eh? Listen to me now. You not catch some sickness and perish away. And we go sorry say we did born on the face of this earth. Because you see, we own destruction, we own devil, we own poison, and we don't know. Black is beauty. Beauty. That's why them a fight with so. Look on the sun how it hot and we can stand up right here 1, 2, 3 hours no move. Eh? Look on the sun how it hot. Eh? Which somebody can stand up like the sun for 3 hours? Which other nation can stand up like the sun for 3 hours? Just stand up night. Eh? Black man alone. Eh? I look how God going on nice black color. I will not take bleach and I rub you off. Just like your damn father. Eh? Kartel is a good DJ. Let me tell you something with Kartel, I'm not lie. When Kartel a DJ, when Kartel that road, I'm telling you, the girls them so nice and easy to talk to. Because once the girl them know see a Kartel fans them, they love you. Now Kartel in a prison to Rastafari, we can't even get 2 tune good out of him. Everything dry up. And you see that as success? Me no want to be behind no bar and make money. Me no want locked up and I make money. Because it's not no use for me. You understand what I'm saying to you? Everybody come talk about, oh, yeah. Ninja Man, all right. Ninja Man, all right, because him all right, finish a while. Him all right, him have money and things. No. Ninja Man can never all right until him free. It's when a man free, him okay. You understand the message to you? If a man don't free, him can't okay. How can you in a cage? I say you're free. When a bird in a cage, you think say him feel good? He can fly from deso to deso. From deso to deso. Deso to deso. Deso to deso. Eh? Him can go in the kitchen. Can he Kartel go in his kitchen and make a nice breakfast? Can he sit round a dining table? Eh? Can he drive go down by the beach and chill out? Eh? No. So you tell me that good? Black people look within themselves, man. Look within themselves, man. They look at you, them not train right, them not grow right. Because that look at you not supposed to bleach him skin. Him not supposed, him black. If you're black, you're black. Once you're black, you're black. Where you bleach out your skin for? I don't support bleaching. Because you make you look like a black people, no important. So because if you don't have light skin, you're not going to reach away. You're having a laugh. It's all in the mind. Who want to dash me away because I'm black? Thank you very much. Almighty Creator who give me life, health and strength, not throw me away. So I don't care to who want to love me. You see, if God love me, I love myself. And my mother who bring me upon this earth, love me. I'm fine with it. 100% fine with it. You understand? So the people want to stop the bleaching. People want me stop the bleaching. Because if me, I look a girl, and me want a brown skin girl, I require a light skin girl, or a light skin girl. I'm going to look the one when natural. I'm not going to look the one that bleach because he will get back dark when him stop. We will stop the bleaching. Okay? And teach a little youth them how to grow up. Don't teach a little youth them about sex. Don't teach a little youth them about this and that. Teach a youth them how to read and write and how to become brilliant in a school. So let me say they can become teachers, principal, doctors, lawyers, nurse. I don't want them to become no judge. Because the judge them are wicked. You understand them? I say to you, yeah, please, my Jamaican fella, brother, rise up, no man. Don't condole in no wrongs with them do, man. Don't try to big up the youth and he knows that the youth wrong. I'm a 15-year-old. He's not ready to become a father yet. Him shouldn't even have sex yet. Him shouldn't have sex yet. So why am I teaching little sister? Him little sister, when him little sister grew up. When him little sister grew up now, what happened? I see him happen. Eh? And the father come talk about thanks and you know what I mean, the Gaza family are expand. Big man, you're not teaching you them nothing. That's why you end up where you're there. And you don't realize that. You're your own enemy. You is your own enemy. Nobody else. You are your own enemy. You understand? You're a man who can read and write. And you tell me say you don't have no intelligence in your man? You don't have no consciousness in your man? None of you no listen to how Bob Marley talk. Bob Marley said, man, fear man them something, man, we mashing up, man. You don't stop it, man. God Almighty, man, please. Yeah. Respect every time. And big up on yourself, Jamaican people. I want to stop the bleaching, man. Black is beauty, man. Stop the bleaching. Stop bleach out on the beauty. Me ask a man why him bleach. He can't tell you. He can't tell you why him bleach. Damn fool, you know. Eh? Damn fool. Stupid madman, them.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, you know what I mean, about the reasoning. One flashback me have, you know, when me a youth and, you know, 15 coming up, we never think about babies and them things there. We have a girlfriend, yes, but we never think about babies. We think about football and how to help the parents with mother, because I don't know a single mother, you know what I mean, and a real thing. So big up #1 fan, love the message, you know what I mean. My viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Big up Lionfoot. Subscribe to the channel now. Representative from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.